guys, welcome back to my channel. Savannah here, and if you're new here, hey guys! Alrighty, so I may have self-tanned the other day and my face is like white as a ghost since we're doing some like skincare stuff over here, and I apologize for that blotch on my face, so just don't like pay attention to that. Anywho, so we're gonna be trying out some ColourPop products today, and it's gonna be one of those like, you know, first impression videos type of thing over here. So let's get started. Alright, so we got, what do we got in here? We'll be trying out the Here We Glow Again face bundle that has 3 products inside of it. And the 3 products are, okay, this first product is a ColourPop Squeeze the Day Lippie Scrub. Okay, and I'll open it up and show you guys when I use it. Also comes with this 4th Day Tumeric Face Milk. And then the next one is the 4th Day Glow Up Face Oil. These products seem like they're all great products for face prepping right before you put makeup on, and you can hear that they're meowing. So the first product we're going to be testing out on our face is going to be this 4th Day Glow Up Face Oil. And I already like washed my face and it's already, you know, has all the fun stuff on it. So this product, it has a dropper. Okay, so it has a dropper. And this product says you can apply 2 to 3 drops of it into your palms. You warm between your hands and you just gently press into the skin and use as needed. And this product, it says that this product is formulated with Marajuca, prickly pear, jojoba, and vitamin C. It's loaded with antioxidants and vitamins for the ultimate radiant, lit from within complexion that you're supposed to get from using this product. 2 to 3 droplets. 1, 2, let's use 3. I'm gonna just pressing it into my skin, going in an upwards motion. This product is super good for anyone who has normal skin and dry skin, especially because it's an oil-based product. So it'll help your skin get all that moisture back into it. Okay, this product smells like lemon, like super summery and fresh. I like it, and it feels good. It has like that oily stickiness when you apply it, but it's not too bad where it feels like you're gonna stick to something. Let's try out the 4th Day Turmeric Face Milk as well. And this one also has the dropper, I believe. Yeah, this also has a dropper. Alright, so this product says apply 2 to 3 drops into your palms, warm between hands, and gently press into the skin, use as needed. Same thing as the other product. Now from the ColourPop side, it says a subtle illuminating moisture booster for radiant skin formulated with turmeric oil, almond milk, camu, and licorice. This formula will brighten the complexion for overall healthy glow. This is another product that will help your skin glow. So we're going to be doing just about 2 to 3 drops on our palms again. 1, 2, oh, I didn't get anything else in there. 2, 3. Okay. This smells like turmeric. Has a really strong scent. I'm just doing the same thing on my skin like I did with the oil, just to press it in. Press it. Press it. This kind of has a really fresh scent as well. Kind of has a lemon scent as well, like a turmeric lemony scent, if that makes any sense. This product is a little bit on the stickier side, definitely a little bit stickier than the face oil, but overall it's not too bad and I like it. And I definitely feel like it like tightens up your face too, which is nice. It's definitely a good thing to use before you're going to be applying any makeup. And honestly, You could probably use these products as like a primer base if you don't want to use a primer, and if you don't use a primer, because they're so sticky. I like the way my skin feels with these. It's really soft and nice, and it feels clean. Alrighty, so I'm excited about this. This is the lip scrub. I'm always looking for new lip scrubs. So this product says, there's no info on the back of this one, so I'm just going to read this one from this site directly. This lip scrub exfoliates and conditions your lips with the raw sugar, shea butter, tapioca butter, sweet almond oil, and jojoba oil. It will leave your lips beautifully smooth and kissably soft. Okay, so these application tips: take a pea-sized amount and scrub, scrub, scrub. Remove with a damp towel and lick off the excess. Top with the Lippie Balm to instant nourish your lips. And it says this is best used as a prep before applying matte lipsticks. So let's exfoliate and scrub our lips. Okay, so this just comes with one of those like toppers to like cover it and protect it, obviously. Ooh! Okay. Oh my gosh, this literally smells like freaking vanilla with like lemon. It almost smells like lemon meringue pie. This smells good. I'm gonna take about that much. Okay, so we're just gonna like. It tastes good. It literally tastes like cake. And it says take a damp cloth and like wipe it off. Okay, I literally feel like I just ate frosting right there. Frosting. Okay, so with this, my lips feel like they're super exfoliated and scrubbed, and they also feel nice and moisturized. It's almost like you don't even need a lip balm after using this product because there's so much moisture in this, which is great. And it tastes like freaking cake, so like, why wouldn't you want to use a lip scrub that tastes like cake? So overall, honestly, my face is feeling good and like my lips are feeling really good, and after these products have like sat on my face for a little bit, and after these oils and the turmeric milk sat on my face as well, my face feels like nice and moisturized. It also feels hydrated, and you can definitely see like a glow with this. And the stickiness went away after a while, and my face still feels tight, which is great. I would definitely say like these products, even the lip scrub, like are great to use before you do like your makeup. This is a perfect bundle for that, and you don't even need a primer with these oils and milk that you're putting on your face because they will act as one. I recommend these products like 100%. I'm happy with them. I think they're good, and there seems like there's really good ingredients in them as well. So I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know about what you thought about this ColourPop bundle if you've got it, the Here We Glow Again. It's perfect, especially for the quality of the products and the price that you're getting it at as well. I will have the price of the product like in the corner of the screen. Don't know which way it will be. And if you're interested too, the link will be down below. This is not a sponsored or affiliate or anything. Bye guys, love y'all. Lol, my 2 different colors.